everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into the basics of Pythagoras theorem. If you've ever wondered how to find the length of a side in a right angled triangle, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. So what exactly is Pythagoras theorem? It's a super useful formula that lets us find the length of any side in a right angled triangle, as long as we know the other two sides. The formula is simple. A squared plus b squared equals c squared, where A and B are the shorter sides, and C is the hypotenuse. Let's do a quick example. Say one side of the triangle is 3 units long, and the other is 4 units. We want to find the hypotenuse. According to the formula, we have 3 squared plus 4 squared equals x squared. Then all we need to do is rearrange the equation to find x. So then we'll get x squared equals to 9 plus 16. X squared equals 25, and our final answer is 5. Now to find c, we just take the square root of 25, which is 5. So the hypotenuse is 5 units long. Now let me show you the proof behind Pythagoras theorem. Imagine we draw a square on each side of the triangle. The area of the square on side A is a squared. The area on side B is b squared, and the area on the hypotenuse is c squared. When you add the areas of the two smaller squares, a squared and b squared, you get the area of the bigger square, c squared. That's exactly what the formula tells us. A squared plus b squared is c squared. Now that we understand how this formula works, we're going to go through a harder example. Feel free to pause the video to work it out yourself. Now here is the answers. So remember the formula is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So then we can come up with the equation of 6 squared plus x squared equals 10 squared. Now we can rearrange the equation and come up with the final answer of 8. So to recap, Pythagoras theorem helps you find the length of any side in a right angled triangle. All you need to remember is a squared plus b squared is c squared. And don't forget the proof, which shows how the areas of the squares make the formula come together. Thanks for watching. If this helped you understand Pythagoras a bit better, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and like for more math tips. See you in the next video.